So I'm gonna use these two colors, guacamole green and dark green, and 5mm crochet hook. I'll start by making 100 chains. From the second chain from the hook, I'll make 1 single crochet and 1 single crochet throughout my work, and 1 single crochet, so here I'm finishing the row before I fasten off. My next row will not start from here, it will start where I started the single crochet. So where I started the second row here, or the first row here, I'm gonna start another row of single crochet using my darker color. So a slip knot again, or a magic loop. Insert my hook in the first stitch, this one, the incline one, in the 2 loops, and chain 1. Slip stitch first and then chain 1, and a single crochet in the same stitch as well, and 1 single crochet in every stitch till the end of the row again. So this is the base, after which we will start working the mosaic. So here I'm at the end of this row as well, and the next one will be the start of the mosaic effect, the constructing of the mosaic. So we fasten off, and I cut the thread. My guacamole color again, magic loop, and so one thing we need to put in mind from the beginning, that we will work only in the front side, means there is no turning and chaining, no. So every time I finish one row, I have to come back here to the beginning, and from there I start my row. So I'm gonna insert the color, in the first stitch, slip stitch, tighten, chain 1, and a single crochet. This is all in the first stitch. Now in the next 5 stitches, I'm gonna do a single crochet in the back loop only. This is the back loop, so I've got V here, 2 loops, the front and the back. So insert inside the V and make a single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. In the next stitch, I'm not gonna work in the dark green or any of the loops. I'm gonna work in the previous row, which is this one. You'll get 1 loop over here. What we'll do, yarn over, take the loop under and work a double crochet like this. In the next one, we'll do again 5 back loop, single crochet. So if you prefer, what I didn't do in the dark green, when you do the dark green color row, you can work in the back loop only. I work the whole stitch, but I'm managing to do the double crochet. But for more ease, you can only work the back loop single crochet in that color. So now again I did 5 and the same thing, double crochet here. See how it's looking already? So I'll finish the row and I'll come back to show you how we're gonna close this row and how we're gonna start the next row. So here I have reached the end of the row, and what I'm gonna do is the last double crochet, and in the last stitch, which is this one full single crochet, not in the back loop, in both loops, and fasten off again. So this is how it looks so far, and we come back to the beginning to start our next row. Make a magic loop, insert my hook in the very first stitch, slip stitch, chain 1 and a single crochet. So we'll start working here again in the back loop, single crochet in the next one, so 5 again. So 1 2 3 4 5, and I will work again in the 5th stitch a double crochet in the dark color, previous dark color. Wait, I'll fix it. Like this, and again 1 single crochet in the next 5 stitches. So again we continue until the end of the row, and I'll show you what to do at the end. So now again I'm at the end of the row. I'm gonna do my double crochet. Then one single crochet in the back loop on top of the previous double crochet, and one full single crochet in the last one. And I fasten off. And come back to the beginning. So you see already how it looks like. We'll join the guacamole color again. So as you can see, it's a repetitive pattern. I will repeat the same till I get the length required of my blanket. I'll just finish this and I'll show you the final result. So I want to show you the progress of the mosaic stitch, and you see how pretty and beautiful it looks. Very nice and very easy to achieve. Just one thing, if you're a beginner, I want to enhance in the beginning rows. Numbers will change eventually in each row, only in the beginning, but in the middle of the work it's the same number, 5 5, but it's like it's driving you. You don't need to count or do anything. When you see the stitches decreasing, like for example, here we started with 5 single crochet, then up we had to do 4 single crochet before the double, and then it decreases to 3, and then after it gets to no double crochet, you start all over again. I hope you understand what I mean. It's the same at the end of the work as well. Look how it goes. Like you have 3 single here, 2 single crochet under, 1 single crochet, and nothing under, just 5, like that. So you go along with the work. It's like it tells you what to do next. But the pattern is as I explain it, and as you'll find it in the description box, the written one. So I hope it's clear and it's easy to achieve for you.